Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to download Viber on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Viber is a messaging and calling app for Windows, Mac OS, and Android, as well as offers free high-quality audio and video calls, all protected via a secure encrypted connection. In order to download Viber on your device, tap on your Play Store or your App Store and in the search box, type in Viber and search. As soon as you find the app, tap on the Install button in order to download it onto your device. The download process might take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet connection. Wait until it downloads on your device and installs, and as soon as it installs, tap it open. That is the very first interface of Viber. In order to log in, tap on Start Now, and log into your Viber. That is how you can download Viber on your device. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.